Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Time Series 443. Here we go. Chester Goods and Blue Thunder. I make Clip Smoke Warrior. Monster Jam Zills and Kraken. And Ed G is in Local Punk. The rest of the tracks you can choose from: Soldier Fortune Black Ops, Hot Rowler, Team Mins, Vampire Clip Smoke Warrior, Son of a Digger Fire, Superman, Ice Cream Man, Stinger, Bigfoot, Roger Dodger, Hollis Racing number 4, Monster Mud, Rut Roller, All Beefed Up, Wildflower, Covert Crasher, Torpedo, Toro Loco Ice, Retro Loco, and Jester. That's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.